know how to organize this. Someone tell me what to do. This is a problem. Some of this content, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with. Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Today we are doing a much needed closet cleanout video. I've been very excited and very nervous for this video for a long time. This is gonna be a lot, but we're gonna go through it bit by bit and I hope you have fun with it. So normally I go through my closet, I don't even know. Like whenever I just feel like it's getting overwhelming, and this I've just been pushing off for so long. I can't even close my drawers all the way. So that's a problem. But at the end of it, hopefully we'll have lots of clothes to get rid of and we'll take them to Plato's Closet and I'll show you guys how I sell clothes to make money. Now I'm gonna stop procrastinating and actually get into it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna tackle is my dresser. So this, literally my clothes are peeping out up there when I open it. We can start with my t-shirts, and I'll just start off by saying I am definitely keeping all of my Elevated Faith t-shirts. Like, look at this. I love these. But the goal of this video is to be ruthless, okay? That's why I'm videoing it, so that I actually get rid of stuff. This, I have never worn in my life, but I did pretty much just get it. So we'll put it in the maybe. I should probably not fold everything. I should just make piles. Okay, good. I don't know why I still have this inside out. I've had this for literally so long. It's a hand-me-down, but it's so bright and like faded. I don't know why I got this. I don't ever wear it. It's so low. Like you can't wear it without anything else. I think I just buy things in like the hopes that I'll change my style and become like a completely different person. Like this. I don't know. It's just not really my thing. Conflicted. This was like my first cute shirt. My first little brandy shirt. Got it for my birthday. It has like emotional value. What's the word? I don't know. But you also like can't wear it with jeans. And it's not totally my style. Maybe. This shirt is so cute. It's an open back, but I never wear it. And when I do, I just don't like it on me. I don't know. We'll have to try that one later. Okay, wait, this is actually kind of successful. It's a pretty fat maybe pile, but like our giveaway pile is looking good. I thought this was gonna take a lot longer. This is not at all as overwhelming as I thought it would be. Sentimental, that's the word, sentimental value. This shirt, I do think I would wear this again. I'm gonna make a new pile for try-ons. I think of this as like a fall shirt, but I didn't wear it all fall. I think that's a sign. Oh, but I've always liked it on me. It's a good little basic shirt. This shirt I have worn so much. It might have to become like a work shirt. Wow, I'm keeping all of my maybes. That's not good. Oh, this is from Hawaii. And when I'm all tanned, it actually looks really good. It's also really wrinkly. That's also sentimental value. And I just like oversized t-shirts. I got this from Plato's thinking I'd become like a Lake Tahoe girly or like a little skater girl. But it's not me. It's not my vibe. Okay, we're just gonna try on these two things later and make a little giveaway pile right there. And we'll deal with our keeps later. Okay, moving on to the pants drawer, which we can't even get open. Okay, brand new jeans from PacSun. Love these. Not brand new, they're from Plato's. Keeping those. Oh, funny story. So at work, I picked up a crayon one time, a green crayon that a little kid had left like under a table or something. It fell under, and I stuck it in my pocket because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna throw this away later. I did not throw it away later, and I in fact washed the apron with all of my clothes, forgetting that the crayon was still inside the pocket. And I got green all over my clothes, but thank the internet that there was a solution. So I managed to get it out of almost everything except for the waistband of that. I don't know if you can see. It's a nice touch. These are the shorts I like sale wear, and I only ever wear them hanging around at home, which I guess is fine. We still need those. Oh, and these jeans have been through it. Look at this. I've safety pinned them so many times, and yet I like wear them all the time. But I have new ones now. I'm in the baby. Just in case I don't have any other jeans. I also should have mentioned I went through my jeans like months ago and got rid of some. I'm gonna pull them out. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize there's so much in there. Imagine if I had tried to cram these. Guys, my drawer was full with just what I had. This was in a separate bin. This is a problem. Good news is we're getting rid of this. I love the way these look, but when I run or do anything in them, they ride up to about here, which doesn't really work. So Okay, look at our giveaway pile. I love that. These shorts are so dang comfy. I could even keep them as like pajama pants. These are a try-on for sure. And these take up so much space and they don't fit the way I wanted them to, but they're so dang comfy. Also pajama. Maybe I should... No, this makes me feel successful. I'm not moving this. This is going... We'll just call it a try-on. I think we're gonna put stuff back now. You guys don't even know how happy this makes me. So easy. I'll show you guys all my drawers after once they're all organized. Do you see this? This is amazing. Okay, to get to know pajamas. Let's move the giveaways. Yeah. Okay, this is another rough one. Brand new, brand new. Come on, you can't tell me these aren't like the cutest things. The thing is, I never wear pajamas. I'll wear like sweatpants and a t-shirt, but I have so many. These ones are just too fun. They're too fun to get rid of. Wow, okay, we're gonna have a lot more space. I'm worried it's gonna fall. I was like holding it up. We're just gonna check out this drawer. We got our swimsuits right here. We'll go through those in a sec. I just think it'd be good to go through like the t-shirts, see which ones I want to keep for like pajamas. Oh man, I have too many swimsuits. Oh, I never even realized this is airy. Look how cute the back is. I never wear it, but it'd be a good like swimsuit cover up. Oh, and I got this at summer camp. I would wear it. Oh, but you know what? I got it because it matches this like perfectly. Okay, we're keeping that. Maybe I am feeling the video. Way too many of these shirts. These are all great work shirts. Like that big pile that I just made. But like I don't need that many and I never wear them. I think this is all part of being ruthless. The softest ones. Those will be my pajama shirts. Okay, that was really successful. I think that was the most successful drawer. Just go through the swimsuits, then I'll scooch it over, put everything back in these drawers. We're gonna get new swimsuits. This is gonna be the year I actually get new swimsuits that I like. Shove this over again. I feel like you can't really get rid of like a good black t-shirt. I love these things. They are a hand-me-down. They're my perfect like, I want to feel like a sports fan pants. Some of this content, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with. I genuinely believe like the longer it's been between cleaning out my closet, the more I can get rid of, the more satisfying it is. So maybe I should just do this every once in a while. Alright, this is like cozy stuff and hats. Oh, I didn't even notice they're dogs. Okay, does anybody else own like 10,000 bucket hats? Never wear them because... Okay, I guess it's only 4, but still. Never worn them, but I love them. Keeping them because it's not summer. Beanies, I can't say the same for, but I'm keeping them anyways. This drawer we can kind of maybe consolidate with this. Maybe fuzzy socks, because this is pretty overflowing. Okay, I guess we are going through this drawer. Why do I still have rebounder socks? Why not? And my Nordquist gloves. Guys, this is from 7th grade. Actually, like half of these socks are my mom's. Not half. Actually, all of them. I think I've stolen all of them, but not the Charlie Brown socks. They're mine. Wow, how do I have actual complete pairs of socks? I'm not missing any. It's so nice. Maybe I've lost like an even number. I did not even realize I had so many socks to go through. I feel like these should be saved, like just in case of emergency sort of thing. You never know. Same with these. Okay. I feel like this is very successful. And then inside the drawers, look at how much room there is. Feeling very proud of myself right now. It's time to see if we can conquer the closet. Step number 2. This is madness. This is 2. Okay, so looking at this, the shoes seem less daunting, but I feel like I should take on the sweatshirts now when I have the energy, you know? I'm scared they're gonna fall on me. a lot of sweaters. Okay, I didn't show you guys the piles at all. These are my keepers. It's a bigger pile. Maybes, giveaways. That reminds me, I got my vest too. And I actually have not worn any of these the entire winter, except for my clothes try on. Go check that out. I feel like that's definitely a sign not to keep. This one is so dirty. Okay. I'll wash this one, and then I guess we'll get rid of this one. This one's really cute too. I think it's just a bit much. Well, oh, it's really small. I love this. I just don't like winter clothes. Someone else will enjoy it more than I will. This one, this is the absolute worst outfit to try clothes on in. I do really like this. I just don't know how to wear a vest. Oh wait, I'm lying. I did wear a vest. I wore these with sweatshirts. I guess that means I have to keep them. System. All our wintry stuff on that side, and just everyday on. I'm actually out of winter stuff, so we're gonna just. This is the not everyday pile. Well, it's like halfway better though. Like, look, it used to be stuck to the top. Look at that nice little pile. This is like such an awkward height. Top ones are pretty much like ones that I wear all the time. We've got like our boots down here, which I never wear, except these. But these were brand new for Halloween. We got like 3 pairs of chunky sole Fila's. I finally let go of these fake Birkenstocks. By let go of, I mean put in a separate bin. So literally still here. Ignore how dirty these are. That's so bad. This is from a hike, so clearly I wear these. Okay, that's really not bad. Okay, this is so much better. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, this is an accomplishment. Okay, very exciting. Last section to go through. This one's a weird one because a lot of them are like summery options. Keeping this for sure. Yeah, and I know I don't have enough hangers, so I need to get rid of stuff for sure. This literally has 3 dresses and a scarf on it. That means stuff needs to go. Prom dress. Like, what do you wear a prom dress to after prom? What do I have to do with it? I love this dress. Okay, so my soccer team, we raised $10,000 for parkas and warm-up jerseys. This is the coziest thing ever. Literally a lifesaver. I don't know why I put it on. Windbreakers that I have never worn. This one I wore for neon night. I feel like I should keep this. I was gonna say it's perfect for school spirit days, but I'm almost graduated. Keep it for the rest of the school year and then give it to somebody. Oh, this was like my big purchase from Urban Outfitters, and yet I don't wear it. Just keep it because it was expensive, you know? Just in case. But I never wear this. This is for Giants games. Obviously. This is just like such a cool jacket. It's so not my style, but it's like nice quality. It's a leather jacket. It smells good too. We're not even gonna deal with my old soccer stuff. That can just... we'll deal with that later. You know what I should do? I should do that closet trick to see if you'll ever wear it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Where you flip the hanger backwards, and then if you wear it, you put it the right way. And then you can see what you wore within like 6 months or a year. This is the only place I can do that, so I think I might as well. I'm stupid. I was trying to shove the bottom of this dress behind everything. I can just fold it. Genius. And I think we have enough room to save this, just in case we're able to find some way to modify it, because I absolutely love this dress. It was a Plato's find. Okay, wow, this is major progress. Okay, I really did not think we had this much to get rid of, but look at that. That's pretty nice. Okay, I think this was pretty successful. Look at this fat pile. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna take all of the stuff to Plato's Closet, and if you live near me, you might want to stop by. There's gonna be lots of new stuff, and that'll be a fun video. So thank you again for joining me on this. This was a very successful closet clean out, much needed, and I hope you enjoyed. Go have a great rest of your day, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye!